Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll create a disk partition again and swap partition. Both we will create. So we'll see. The first thing is, again, I'm trying to explain with a very easy way. So this is my disk. Okay, disk name is /dev/sda, and we have a partitions. So different partitions are there. The first thing is you have to create a partition, right? So once you have created a partition, then what to do? Once you have created once you have created a partition, okay, whatever it is a GPT type or MBR type, we create a partition. The partition has a name, right? So first of all, know your partition name, partition number. SDA something 6 is completed. Okay, 8. Okay, this is my partition name. Disk name, partition name. Now you want to insert a data in it. You cannot insert a data in it. Okay, you can't insert a data in it. So we have to create a folder. You have to create a folder is like a, for example, folder 8 or data 8, something. I have to create it. Then we have to no. First of all, create a partition using fdisk command. First of all, know your disk name. First of all, know your disk name. Fdisk -l. Know your disk name. Next, fdisk. Once you know the name, then go to that disk. Okay. Then put a P to know the partition table. First is partition table. What is the next one? Verify any space is left. Next is N for creating new partition. So first time it is enter only. Okay, first one we don't do anything for first one. For second one, it meaning is at last one. First just enter only. For last sector, this part, how much partition you want it. For example, I want to create a 4 GB partition. I want to create a 4 GB. I have a space, then I'm creating a 4 GB partition. Next, again P, again V. Now you want to change any partition type, T, L, then give it. Okay, so otherwise leave it, save it. Okay, because no space, I'm not typing everything, just W for saving. This is a sequence. Next, once it is completed, put a partprobe up to update in a kernel. Like this also you can give. Next, partition is created. Partition is created. It is a raw partition. Now you have to put a file system. You have to format it. mkfs.ext4. Make file system ext4. ext4 is a Linux file system, current file system. So for example, your partition number is 7, 8. As per this diagram, as per this 8, as per that one only, it is 8. Now it is format is done. Next, mkdir. I'm creating folder 8. Just a directory I'm creating. Okay, and then mount /dev/sda8 /folder 8, like this. Then verify once it is mounted. df space -h. Something is went front and back kind of stuff. Yeah. Okay. So this is completely combined. Of course, what happened? Mounting is happened. So I will draw here. The mounting is done, right? So we are mounted from here to here. Mounted means whenever you put a data in this one, data stores in this one. Okay, so that is a mount. Of course, once you are done this one, what you have to do? You have to put it in a fstab also. You have to put it in a fstab also. blkid /dev/sda. Why we should do 2 times? I'm doing 1 time only. So then go to vi/etc/ okay, fstab. There you have to edit. So take the UUID part slash folder 8 under which file system you use ext4 defaults. There is a several things are there about defaults, not defaults, NFS like that. So don't forget it. 00 means compulsory verify when system is boot. Okay, when system is boot, it will verify 00. Like this you can give it, or instead of UUID, you can give this name also. Then try to mount it and verify. So this is the practical we are going to do now. Okay, disk partition. Okay, so now tell me guys how to do it from starting. df disk space -l. How many partitions are created? 6 are there. So next one become 7. Name of the thing SDA. Now from here tell me. 6 partitions are created. V this is available or not. Next. And very good. Partition number 7 default enter. First sector enter. I want to create 4 GB.
Plus 4G.
4G plus 4G. Enter. Partition is created. P. 7th partition is created. You want to change it? T. Otherwise not required. Anyway, it is a Linux file system, not required to change. If you want to do swap or LVM, then you have to change it. It is okay, no problem. So P is there, V is there, everything is good. There is a certain space is available. Good. Finally, W. Save and quit. So I saved it, but it is not saving in the kernel. So what to do? What is next command? Very good. Partprobe. Okay, that is enough. Not required second command. Okay, so just I am putting like this also you can give. So kernel table is updated. Now partition is created. Create a file system inside. File system. Make file system. This is easy one. So SDA 7. Okay. File system is created. Next, mkdir
Mounting.
create some directory. Very good. Created. Now how to mount?
Mount /dev
SDA 7. Oh, it is a folder 8. No. I will create another one. So folder 7 I will create. Just 667788. It look like a match. No errors. It won't throw any error, but just we can easily map it in our mind. Okay. SDA 7th one. Folder 777. Okay. Now you can say df space -h. So this is entirely ours. Okay. It is mounted successful. So you want to put it. You want to put it. You don't want you want to unmounted it and you want to put it in a fstab. The better way is blkid /dev/sda 7. So you have to take this value, copy this line, just highlight it, vi space /etc/fstab. So go down, all O, new line, and just right click. Okay. So otherwise, better to copy in notepad, and you can do it. As I put a folder 7, right? Folder 7 or folder 8 or data 7 like this. I use file system is like this. False. Escape : WQ. Again mount /folder 7 is mounted df space -h. So this is the partition practical. How much time it will take? If you follow the steps, very less. Okay. Go to history. So I started from here to here, including history or not. We'll see that one. Okay. So I said no, we'll create one more partition. The next one is swap partition we'll create. Very simple. First I went like this. Clear. This is my disk name, so I got it. But internally we done few things. First is P V N. Yeah, it is a 7th one, as you know. So 7th one, and enter. Okay, first sector is enter. Second one is last sector is 4G P V W. This part completed. You can see it is partprobe. Next one is your wish. Creating a file system. Create a directory. This is what not required, so remove that one. So create a folder 7 and mount it. Test mounting or not, like this. Okay, actually better to create some files inside. Okay, try to check it, the files are created or not. So small point, like last time what we are missing here. So we'll see it is ls space /folder, sorry, df space -h. Mounting is there, still there in the bottom you can see. I want to create some files, so touch /folder 7 /f7 1.5 So 71, 72, 73, like that files are will created. ls slash folder 7. So 5 files are created. Umount slash folder 7. Okay, so check it. Data is gone. Then mount. Because of already fstab we are done. So then you can directly give mount command. Now you can see data is there. Okay, so you can add this thing also in the bottom. It is a very simple practical. Okay, just you have to follow steps and you have to understand while you are doing it. So what is going on? What is this kind of stuff? You have to understand. Yeah, in this one, so we have to add few things, right? So I took this one. What I'm doing. So I'm taking this part. Okay, and I will take this part. Use echo command also, but it is little danger when you are putting slash folder 7 ext4 defaults. Zero comma 0 space 0. So that is we have to edit here. Remaining are same. Okay. So you understand how to do it. Next one will create a swap partition. Swap is also same. One second. Okay. So guys, where is our diagram? This is. The next one is we are going to create a swap. Okay, swap memory. Same process, little different. So I will tell what is the kind of stuff it is. Yes, virtual memory. So check swap on -s to check the what are the swap memory, total swap memory like this. Swap on command is there. See, this is my swap on. So this is my total swap memory. So I just will pull down up to here. So it is total size of swap, current swap size. And also we can get it from proc. For example, less slash proc slash memTotal. Meminfo, sorry. Meminfo. So then you can see memory info. You can see MemTotal. So total RAM, total swap also is SwapTotal. This is SwapTotal. This is SwapTotal. Okay. So you can put it like a grep SwapTotal as proc. meminfo. This is SwapTotal. Okay, SwapTotal. Also will get a memory total also there, right? Memory total. So total RAM. This is total RAM. So your RAM memory location information in the meminfo. Okay, this is for total RAM. This is for total swap. This is to check individual swap memories. SDS5 is a swap memory. Now what we are going to do is we'll create a partition. This swap is nothing but a part of hard disk. Swap is nothing but part of disk. Disk partition, or you can say disk partition. Nothing but a disk partition. Okay, so it supports your physical RAM run application. Create partition. First of all, to do this one, we have to create a partition. Okay, completed. In a partition, so partition type, you have to change partition type is Linux swap. So remember that thing. Remaining is same on Linux swap. Once it is completed, partprobe everything completed. So then we have to do file system. Again, file system time. File system is make swap. Command is make swap. So this is again little change. Next, here we don't mount anything. Just we are swap on, swap off kind of stuff. So then you have to use swap on /dev/ that SDA. Which number it is, we don't know. So that is like I put a X instead of that one. Okay, so like that, swap on. You have to check it. Swap on space -yes. Swap on of /dev/ SDAX. So X means which swap partition it is. You have to do it for removing it. Of course, MemTotals, SwapTotal. You have to check this one also. You have to check this one also. Next is /etcd fstab. There also we have to understand UUID. File system is swap. File system is swap. Where to mount is swap. So where to mount is swap. File system is swap. Defaults 00. This is what we have to do it. That is also very easy, guys, because you are already understand. So that is good. Disk /dev/ SDA. What is the first one? Normally P 1 to 7 completed. V, any space is available. Next one N. Default is 8. Okay, no problem. Enter. First sector is also enter. My swap is only 2 GB. I want to put a only 2 GB plus 2 GB. 2 GB for swap. Next, created P. So 8th one 2 GB, but file system is type is Linux file system. Press T. 8th one only, yes. L will give you a very big list. but no problem. Just go through this list. So find out where is this Linux swap. Linux swap is 19. Linux swap is 19. Linux swap is 19. So now can you see? It is changed. Okay. So this small part only I will put it here. Okay. Just for a recollection. I'm not putting everything. That's why 19. Okay. This is we have to do it. Remaining are same. So we know that one. Next P. Can you see this? 2 GB Linux swap. So we have a space. Finally W. Event quit. Remaining common again partprobe. That is also common. Partprobe. Or a partprobe space / dev / SDA. So this is kernel update is completed. Next one is make file system. But this is a make swap. You have to tell, you have to format with a swap partition. Make swap / dev / SDA 8. SDA 8. Okay. Yeah, it is. I think it is done. Swap partition is done. Now you have to mount it. Swap on space -s. Only one is there. /dev / SDA 8. 2 are there. This is 4. This is 2. 4 GB, 2 GB. Total is 6 GB. Grep. Someone put a message. No messages. Yeah, my meeting time is over. So it is, we'll go with the 2-3 minutes. Okay, yeah. So 2-3 minutes only. Just SwapTotal. Guys, tomorrow is leave. I will put a message for you. Also, we'll see. /proc meminfo. Right? See, it is 6 GB now. It is 6 GB. Okay. How to remove it? Swap off /dev / SDA 8. Now check the meminfo become 4 GB. Check that -s 4 GB. Okay, this is swap kind of stuff. Permanent mount. Permanent. blkid. So where is this? /dev / SDA 8. So this is the part, right? So then copy this one. Means highlight it. Don't copy. Or copy to notepad. Better. vi /etc / fstab. Go down. Small o. Right click. Where to mount? Swap only. What is the file system? Swap only. Defaults. 0 space 0 completed. So like this only you have to do it. Now swap on space -s. Only one is there. A. Now it is both. Okay, both are there, and also you can look at SwapTotal is increased. So guys, this is your commands. We are done. In between, few things are little changes are there, so that is we will check it. Anyway, those kind of stuff already I given there, so this is okay. Yes, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to do this thing. Okay, if possible, I will forward some more videos tomorrow. Okay, so I will show you few videos. Try those things. It's very easy. Okay, few small practicals also there. Try it. Complete everything. That's it for today. My meeting is time up. Okay, I will forward all these videos to you. That's it, guys, for today. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.